Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today for another video. I'm so excited to have you here as always. So today, as you can see, I have a pink cut crease look going on. It's something a little different than what I usually do, but I had a lot of fun with this look. I am starting, there's like a hair on my face. Okay, there you go. I am starting a new video series. I decided that I'm gonna, tap into my more creative side, and what I'm gonna be doing is using these color palettes that you can often find online, and I'm just gonna pick one like maybe every week or every so often and create a look based on all of the colors. And so today I'm just kind of using this pinkish, like donut themed color palette, and that's what I created. I have this like pink cut crease going on with a little bit of like cinnamony spice brown on the lower lash line. So I hope you guys kind of like this idea, and maybe you guys can try this out too if you're in like a creativity rut, or if you want to play with color but you don't know which colors go well together. I think this kind of like palette just gives you an idea of what colors complement each other. So I decided, yeah, I'm gonna do this video series, and I'm really hoping that it'll really get my creative juices flowing. So without further ado, if you want to know how I got this look using that color palette, then just keep on watching. Okay, I'm starting out with an already primed eye. I'm gonna set my eye using the creamy white color that's in the Chocolate Bonbon palette by Too Faced. Next, I'm taking a light shimmery pink shade just to match it with the color palette that's shown on the left. It's like an all over nice transition color. And then I'm gonna take a darker, more deep pinky fuchsia color and concentrate that right in my crease area, just to make sure it's gonna have a nice contrast when I cut out the crease later. I'm also making sure I'm blending out any of the harsh edges just to create that smooth, diffuse look with a nice gradient going on. And I'm taking my NYX Adorable palette just for that matte pink shade, and I'm adding that additionally to the crease for a better blended look. Next, taking my Wet n Wild concealer, I'm just going to add a little bit to my hand and start cutting up the crease using an angled brush. I think it's an Equal Tools, like double-ended angle brush. I find that this angle brush really helps me create very precise lines, so it was easier to cut out the crease. And to top off that concealer, I'm going to place a shimmery champagne color that's in the Chocolate Bonbon palette and putting that all over the area where I put the concealer. Now, to create a better contrast, even more of a contrast between the concealer and the initial fuchsia color I put down, I'm taking a very thin synthetic brush and just running that along the edge of that cut crease. Time to line my eyes and give myself a really nice fierce wing using a liquid waterproof eyeliner. It's a brush tip eyeliner that I use. It's Japanese and it's my favorite. And I'm also making sure my liner is matching the shape of my cut crease, and after popping on one of my favorite lashes, I'm highlighting under my brow using that same creamy matte color that I used earlier to set my eyes. Now I'm gonna prime my face using a Radiant primer by number 7 and just place that all over my face for that luminous glow. Now, taking my NARS Luminous Weightless Foundation, I'm just dotting that all over my face and then blending it in with a beauty sponge, just making that beauty sponge bounce, 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 and just making it really nice and flawless. And I just feel like it's really satisfying to watch foundation go on my face. Now I'm taking my ColourPop No Filter concealers and just highlighting and also concealing any parts that I want to, and of course blending that in again with my beauty sponge flawlessly into my foundation. Let's now set the face with a translucent powder. I'm just gonna set any place that I put the concealer on extra well. And now, taking my Too Faced Best Year Ever palette, I'm gonna start working on the lower lash line. I'm taking like a spiced cinnamony brown color and adding that to the lower lash line, kind of to match what the color palette shows. And I'm of course blending it all out so that it's looking really nice and diffused. Can't forget to highlight the inner corners, of course, to make the inner corners pop and give the look a little more dimension, and I'm just using the highlight color from the palette. Now time to bronze my face using my go-to bronzer. Of course, it's the ColourPop Afternoon Delight bronzer, and I'm applying that to the hollows of my cheeks as well as my forehead to give me some more warmth. And I'm taking my favorite highlighter, here Kitty Kitty from ColourPop again, and applying that to the tops of my cheekbones and my forehead, as well as my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and everywhere. Next, I'm gonna line my lips using a NYX retractable lip liner in the shade Natural, and I'm basically using this as my only lip color. I just found that I really love this like warm, very pretty nude muted color, so I figured it'd be perfect to match with my pretty colorful eyes. And that pretty much completes the look, you guys. Alright, so what do you guys think? Did you have fun creating this look with me? I'm really honestly excited about this video series. I hope you guys are just as excited about it as I am, or you know, if I'm just alone in my excitement, that's fine too. This is my channel. I love to be creative and just try different things out. So I hope you guys again enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to join the Breath of Beauty family if you haven't already. And if you do, make sure please to click on the cute little notification bell so that you know you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And plus, it's a good way for you to find your way back to me because I'm so tiny in this big YouTube world. It's a good way, a sure way of you finding your way back to me. With all of that said, remember you guys, you are beautiful, amazing, marvelous, no matter what anybody else tries to tell you. And please remember, I'm always rooting for you and I'm so grateful that we are friends. Alright guys, thank you guys again so much for watching and I'll hopefully see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah.